See this number? $2.97 million in a phantom wallet, all from launching tokens, never from buying them. Stay here, I'll show you the exact method right now. Everyone's busy trading meme coins, hoping to catch the next 10x. But here's the truth. The real money isn't in buying coins, it's in launching them. When you launch your own token, you're not just chasing pumps. You create them. You set a supply, you add the liquidity, you decide when to cash out. It's full control. And right now, the market is wild. New coins are going viral every hour. If you are not taking advantage of that, you are just playing the catch up while others print. Right now is the best time to launch and lead. Don't wait for another missed opportunity. But obviously this video is made for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Pump.Fun might look like the easy option, but it's completely oversaturated. Hundreds of coins flood in every single minute, and most get buried before anyone even notices it. On top of that, you don't control your own liquidity, you cannot pull out profits or adjust anything when the time is right. But with Create Tokens.io though, you skip all that. Your coin launches straight on Raydium. It gets graduated instantly, so buyers can ape in right away, and you have full control from day one. It's faster, cleaner, and gives your project way more visibility, which means more volume, more buyers, and more potential to make money. So Create Tokens.io is the move. Now when you are ready to launch your meme coin on createtokens.io, you've got two solid options. First, build a coin from scratch. So pick a viral narrative, so go on Twitter. It could be a trending meme, a political moment, or a random joke blowing up online. Then give it a name, a symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo. Hit next. Just like that, your coin is ready to move forward. Now, the second option is actually my favorite one and the most profitable, the copy trending coins. This posts proven winners straight from Pump.Fun that are already getting traffic and attention. Click to copy a coin and it's instantly listed on Raydium with none of the fucking delays. Since you are copying coins that already have hype and buyers flowing in, you get instant traffic and way more profit potential from the start. Both work, but the method that actually prints the most amount of money is the copy trending coins feature. Anyways, let's stop wasting time. We're launching a coin right now. Watch how quick this comes together. So make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. If you do not have the Phantom wallet, just fucking download it, then refresh list. And we're gonna copy a coin. I think I'm gonna copy the Taco Cat. It looks actually funny. You know, it has a 25k market cap and allows buy under 5 seconds. Create coin. Then ignore the warning and proceed. Confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be copied. You just have to give it a bit of fucking time. Boom. And what else? Oh yeah, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step and this page is pretty straightforward. We're adding liquidity so people can instantly buy and sell on Raydium, you know, the coin. Okay, so just two simple steps. Amount token A, just click the 90% button. That's 900 M's going into the coin. For the amount token B, it's just your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing anything, it's still yours. Okay, you will get back later. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, but I'm gonna drop 0.4 SOL of my own money and I will get back later, like I said. So create coin, create pool, my bad. And then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Taco Cat coin is now live, the Raydium pool is created, and our profits are at 0. But if you re-click on refresh once again, now we're up $160, $156 to be exact. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Now it's live. It's a bit delayed, yeah, just wait a bit because it's really fucking new. It's been like under a minute. Boom. Come on. And now, as devs, all we have to do is wait, and when the coin pumps, we dump it and make a lot of money. I'm gonna be right back, so just enjoy the show. Okay guys, I am back. We are at a $3,000 market cap, 1.5k in liquidity, and now I think it's time to, take out some profits. So come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button. Ooh, and we are up 1.5k in profits. Click on the minus button, 100% with liquidity, and then as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, we just printed 1.5k. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, all the money is there.